While India celebrates the National Women's Day every year on 13th February, the grim reality remains that the women in the country continue to face relentless violence and abuse on the daily basis. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service exposes the alarming rise in the crimes against women under Modi's rule. According to the report, India records one rape every 16 minutes, while a woman is gang raped every 30 hours. The country's capital, New Delhi, has earned the infamous title of the rape capital of the world. In a letter to the Hussein Brahim Taha, Secretary General of the Organization of the Islamic Cooperation, Altaf Hussain Wani, Chairman of the Kashmir Institute of the International Relations Islamabad, has raised serious concerns regarding the BJP-led Indian government's Waqf Amendment Bill 2024. The bill was introduced in the Lok Sabha in August last year. Indian police have seized a residential house of a Kashmiri civilian in the Kulgam district. The property, owned by Safdar Ali Dar and located in the Mudargam village of the district, was confiscated under the draconian the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act on the pretext of allegedly providing shelter to the pro-freedom activists. Indian National Congress chapter in occupied Kashmir has announced a 15-day-long campaign to press for the restoration of statehood to the territory, stating that New Delhi has failed to fulfill the promises. Persistent backlog of the General Provident Fund bills in occupied Kashmir has left the employees in the financial distress as the treasuries continue to delay clearances without any explanation. Despite repeated pleas, occupied Kashmir administration has failed to act, exposing the apathy towards the employees' hard-earned savings. Islamabad-based Center for Aerospace and Security Studies hosted a catalyst conversion, reaffirming Pakistan's unwavering political, moral and diplomatic support for the people of occupied Kashmir. The discussion reinforced the need for sustained efforts in advocating for the Kashmiris' fundamental rights and dignity on the global stage.